Okay, right now we're in Shanghai, China at the DJI store, and our plan is to buy the DJI Neo with the controller. So let's go and see how it goes. There it is, right there in the display. Alright, so we're gonna now go inside and Sammy's gonna try and fly it with me. So here we go. Walk around. We'll follow you. You just walk. You don't even have to look. Just keep walking a little bit. You'll put your hand out and it'll just land on your hand. Just go under it and put your hand out. All the different products. Camera gimbals, phone gimbals, and all of them you just touch. Just turn on. The action fire, camera gimbals, Mavic, DJI Air, 24 Pro, Nevada, little flying area, they might let you take dog, some bikes, and then up this spiral staircase. This looks very cool. There's another area. What's a terrace? DJI clothes, bags, cases, mounts. Room. And there's another area for the Neo. So there's just all these different things and all the products you can just pick up, feel them in your hands. Any of them you just feel. It's very much like an Apple store, but for like drone and DJI products. Another interesting thing is there's a little area back here, like cameras, camera things on the astronaut. Right, we were walking out with the DJI Neo. I got the DJI Neo with the controller. Very exciting. This is the DJI store in China. Very fun.